Oh, hello, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens from Denver, Colorado. You are here for the technique session. All right. If you're the first person, if this is the first time you watch me, go ahead and hit that bell notification so you can come and say hi to me every time that I go live. All right, but what is your biggest asset, right? If you caught the video from this morning, I was going to talk to you about why your story is. So let me lay some groundwork here so you understand why this is important to you. Okay? Do you want something that no one can take away from you? Right? In your business, right? In your life, right? Telling your story gives you the biggest asset because no one can take it away, right? Steve Jobs is a great example of someone having a product, but the reason why they went so huge is because Steve Jobs was able to stand up and paint a picture, a vision for everybody to follow. He was able to tell a magnificent story. Look, and I'm even a product of his story. I have an iPhone. You probably have an iPhone. That is a result of him telling a phenomenal story, telling his, okay? Making sure that you are telling your story, okay? Because if you're not, you are stealing someone's greatness. Okay, my story is I started, way back. My family, my family wasn't together my whole life. Okay, I grew up on a farm, super little, from the age 4 all the way through college. I wrestled since I was born until about 6th grade. I was raised on a farm, raised pigs, cows, horses. I grew up eating what I grew. Okay, and then my family split. I moved to Utah for all through high school. I wrestled that entire time, and then I went to college. And after college, I worked in the oil field for a while. And after that, I went and I owned my own photography franchise for a little while. And now I do this online marketing, and I work in a network marketing company, and I help and protect families in a company called Legal Shield, which is phenomenal service. If you guys want to know any more about any of those, make sure you just reach out to me. I've been helping and protecting families for the last few months. It's been an incredible, phenomenal feeling knowing that I have actually helped people. Okay, so the call to action today is, instead of a share or a comment, I want to ask you to do yourself a favor. Okay, it's going to be a favor to me, a favor to you. Tell your story and record it. Put it out there. Your grind, even if you're not where you are, even if you're not where you want to be. I'm not where I want to be. And if you are where you want to be, you're going to die soon, because you're either growing or you're dying. If you're not looking for more, you're either going to settle or you're going to go backward. Just the way the world works. Okay? So go ahead and put me in the comments if you are willing to tell your story, because not telling your story is going to steal someone else's greatness. All right, I want to see you tomorrow, because just like you got to bathe and just like you got to eat, you got to get your brain food every day. I love y'all. Peace. Can't wait to see your story. Later. Make sure you tag me in it.